A survey of adults in a certain large town found that 76% of people wore a watch on their left wrist. You have come across information, make a note. 76% is the probability. So P of wearing a watch on the left wrist is 76% means 0.76. 15% wore a watch on their right. So P of right is 15% is nothing but 0.15, and 9% did not wear a watch. So P of not wearing a watch is 9% means 0.09. Okay. Now a random sample of 14 adults was taken. So this 14 will be for n. Find the probability that more than 2 adults did not wear a watch. So you need to find the probability of what condition. That will be decided by this one. More than 2. So R should be greater than 2. Is it clear? Now, to find out this probability, we should get the idea of using binomial distribution. Am I clear? To find out this probability, we should get the idea of using binomial distribution. And binomial distribution formula is NCR P power R 1 minus P power n minus R. Here we should know the value for n, R and P. So n is 14. What value will you take for P? He said did not wear a watch. So I have to take this value for P, for not wearing a watch. Accepted? Next. Now let us decide the values for R. Here the R is greater than 2. So values that R can take is 3, 4, 5, 6, so on till n, till this number. Clear? Now, here I got many values for R. So now I will decrease the values for R. For that I should do this step. I should do 1 minus P of. Write opposite of this condition over here. Here it is R greater than 2, make it R less than 2. Here you don't have equal to, so put equal to here. Write opposite of this over here. Now the values that R will take is 0, 1 and 2. We are doing this step only to decrease the values for R. Okay, now. So 1 minus. So this entire thing will be P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. Okay. Now, when R is 0, replace it in this formula. So what do we get? N is 14. So 14C0 into 0.09 power 0 into 1 minus 0.09 power 14 minus 0 plus. Now replace R equal to 1 in the formula. We get 14C1 into 0.09 power 1 into 1 minus 0.09 power 14 minus 1 plus. Now replace R equal to 2. So what do we get? 14C2 into 0.09 power 2 into 1 minus 0.09 power 14 minus 2. Okay, now 1 minus C1. I have to add this entire thing. Here the difficulty is I cannot put all these three at once in the calculator. So what I should do is add piece by piece. What do I mean is, first you calculate this, then to the answer you got add this one, and again to the answer you got add this one. and finally do 1 minus answer. When you do this, you should get the answer to be 0.125. It should be your answer. Is it clear?